How to make group chats on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have the updated version of Messenger application on your device. So let's search for the application. And as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Messenger application. So just tap and open and it will land us to the Messenger application. Make sure you have logged in. Next, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the group chat option. And as you do that, you can tap on the search bar and search for people that you would want to have in your group. So you can just search for anyone that you'd like to get in your group. So just tap on that and you can just search for other people as well over here. And while you search it, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And then as you do that, tap on create option at the top right corner. And there you go. You have created a group chat on Messenger. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.